Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful. First, we'll understand our question. We must implement the function print alarm timing which accepts the start time, end time and x as its arguments. And then for every x minutes from the start time, the factory alarm sound indicates the time slot for the factory workers. And finally, the program must print the alarm timings as the output. So now we'll take our first test case. So in this test case, we have this as our start time and this is our end time and this is x. So now after the start time 9:15, it should be added with the x minutes so that the alarm rings. So for every x minutes from the start time, the alarm indicates the time slot, right? So 9:15 plus ex. So here our x is 60. So 9:15 plus 60 minutes will give you 10:15. So we have to repeat this until the end time 17:30. So this goes on. So for 10:15, then again we add 60 minutes, then it becomes 11:15. So it becomes 11:15. So it goes on. So we repeat this until we get 17:30. So here we have got 12:15. After we get 17:15, that is, it is nearer to our end time. So when we add 60 minutes to this 17:15, it will be more than the end time. So we'll stop here and this will be our output. Now we'll take our another test case. So in this test case, we have start time as 4 o'clock and end time as 12:15. And the x is 45. So the start time plus ex is 4 o'clock plus 60, that is, sorry, 45. So there is 4:45 and then let us do it up to the end time 12:15. Then it's 5:30 and then it is 6:15. So it goes on until it becomes 12:15. So now after 10:45 we have 11:30, and now after 11:30 we'll have 12:15. So we have got the end time. So we'll stop here, and this will be our output. Now let us understand the logic of this program. So first we'll have to initiate the start time hour, the start time minute, the end time hour, and the end time minute. So after declaring, so we have to get the input. So we'll use the yes scanf of start time, comma. So this will be in this format. Start time will be in this format, and we'll get the start time hour, and then the start time minute, and then to make it clear, we'll have a command line and denoting that scanf to get and end time hour and end time minute, and then we'll have to get the total start equal to start time hour into 60 plus start time minute, and then the command line to make it clear, the total end similarly calculate for the total end. So here we'll have the total start also and the total end. So while the total start lesser than equal to the total end, so in this inside this while loop we'll have printf modulo d modulo d, so it will be in this format. We'll print the total start slash 60 to the total start modulo 60. So we'll get the output like this. In order to pad the zeros, we have 0 2 before them, and then finally the total start will be incremented with x, that is the 60 minutes that we saw in our first test case, in order to get the alarm. So this will be our program.